got a major blizzard. Definitely February 2nd, 2022. It's snowing like a baby back bitch. The blizzard of 22. It's too bad Mom's not around to see this. I think she'd be freaking out. I gotta get drumsticks and food. Yeah, my muffler on my car is literally hanging by one peg. And it's just too nasty out here to do anything about it. Unfortunately, it means that if I don't get that fixed, we can't get a fucking job, because all it's gonna take is that one peg to fucking break, and the whole muffler's gonna be dragging. That ain't fucking good. So, checking on the chickens. What are you guys doing? Move it! Come on, move. Come on. Book! 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 The good old chicken squat. Goodness sakes! What are you doing? Oh, hello, chickie. Chickie, chickie, chickie. Goodness. Any eggs, ladies? No, no. Ah, fuck.